A team deploys a generative AI application built by using Microsoft Foundry to production and receives variable traffic throughout the day. The team requires uninterrupted insight into the application's health and model behavior to detect issues without relying on manual inspection. You need to select the monitoring capabilities that provide real-time operational visibility into the application. Which monitoring capability should you use for each requirement?
The table shows two columns, requirement and monitoring capability. Row 1, observe live request flow. Select. Row 2, identify recurring failure patterns. Select.
The available options are Option A, structured application logs. Option B, real-time tracing. Option C, alert rules. Option D, token quotas. Option E, alert notifications. Option F, aggregated metrics. Option G, evaluation reports.
When monitoring generative AI applications, we often need to understand the underlying mechanisms for tracking live request execution paths and analyzing structured data to spot underlying errors or recurring patterns without manual inspection. In my view, the correct answer for observing live request flow is option B, real-time tracing. And for identifying recurring failure patterns, the correct answer is option A, structured application logs. Real-time tracing is ideal for observing live request flows because it captures exact execution paths, latency, and inputs or outputs per request. Meanwhile, structured application logs help identify recurring failure patterns across historical and structured operational data by providing detailed log entries and error types that can be queried. The other options are less suitable for these specific tasks. Aggregated metrics only show high-level trends rather than granular request flows. Furthermore, alert rules and alert notifications are designed to trigger alerts rather than perform deep failure analysis or live request observation.